Welcome to the FFS PRO Verify tutorial. FFS PRO Verify gives you remote access to your vital installation project data anywhere and anytime by connecting you to your installers and ensuring safe, accurate and effective installation work. Through the secure FFS PRO Verify mobile app, the OnSite Installer can provide tangible photo evidence of verified installation work. This is reviewed remotely by our expert staff, and insights are provided to the project manager. The project manager receives email updates and checklists, giving them the opportunity to correct installation imperfections before the concrete is poured. A project dashboard, detailed installation statuses, and regular reports keep them totally connected. Here is an overview of what the OnSite installer on the ground will see from their mobile app. When an OnSite installer has been assigned a site verification, they will receive an automated email including the basic site information. Tap the Conduct Site Verification to review or begin any assigned site verifications. If you have multiple site verifications assigned, they will be listed here. The site verification data screen will show an overview of the project. Clicking on Proceed to My Checkpoints will begin the site verification. The My Checkpoints screen shows the range of checkpoints assigned to this site by Franklin Fueling Systems, based upon specific site information provided by the project manager and tailored to help provide a safe and effective installation. The checkpoint data screen shows an overview of the list with the total number of questions and running total of those approved. Now the OnSite installer is presented with a checklist of questions to work through, specific to their site. The question completion screen gives you the criteria for visual evidence submission. This includes the question to be answered, helpful tips on what to look for, and a visual example or drawing of what that installation should look like. The Confirm and Submit screen is where you confirm your answer to the checkpoint question. Here the OnSite installer selects Yes to confirm and then clicks on the camera to submit photographic proof. After submitting a checkpoint question, the OnSite installer is taken back to the My Checkpoint Questions list and can continue to answer and submit each aspect of their site that they will need to verify. Once the question is answered, the technical service team will then review each question submitted. Once the full range of questions in a checkpoint list has been answered, the OnSite installer will receive an email alerting them to any questions that may have been rejected, including details of suggested corrective answers and a chance to correct the issue and resubmit. When the OnSite installer logs back into their site, they will see a running percentage of completion for that site. The checkpoint data screen also shows the number of questions approved. Proceeding to the question list will show a list of which questions were rejected. Now the OnSite installer can see the reasons for rejection and the suggested corrective actions. They can re-edit their answer, upload any new photographic evidence required, and then resubmit. After completing the full range of questions, a completed checkpoint report would be uploaded to the site owner's account. An email notification that the report is available to review is also sent. The project manager receives emails keeping them up to date on the progress of the installation and uses their app to review all verified installation work, manage site completion statuses, and download installation reports. Here is what they might see via their mobile app or desktop. The project manager can access all of their current and completed site verification projects at any time through their personal dashboard. The dashboard provides a means for the project manager to request a new site verification, to see all completed and archived projects, and to assess current projects. The project overview is now available to the project manager to see a wide range of information. The percentage of the checkpoints completed gives a quick view of how far along the verification is progressing. The project manager can see the site information, the site supervisor information, the full range of equipment involved, the assigned checkpoints relating to the site, and the site verification checkpoint reports, as submitted by their site installer. The checkpoint report will show a tangible record of the successful completion of all installation work. Each checkpoint report is specific to the functional area of the installation with detailed, critical to quality assurance questions. There are details on when the checkpoint was submitted for review, who submitted it, and when it was reviewed. If any checkpoint question is rejected, the checkpoint reports will indicate it, as well as a brief description of the corrective action that was needed to achieve successful completion. Approved checkpoint questions may also have instructive comments for future improvements from our technical experts. It will also show photo evidence of accurate installation work for each product. A certified site supervisor is required to conduct FFS PRO Verify site verification work. Your chosen installers can get certified for free anytime with our industry-leading online training and certification platform, FFS PRO University. Our easy online training will have your installers trained, certified, and ready to conduct site verifications on our mobile app or web interface.